on the Snake River. We're just getting ready to go on Get Ready Rapid, which is the first big rapid. And here we go. Pretty weak slopes. Weak slopes. Alright. He probably was that time.
You can't tell.
He
probably the down one was the loudest. Raise your paddle.
He probably was the loudest that time.
For obligation, but I don't believe it. Brandon!
I think we need to do Brandon aloud again.
I think there is a conspiracy with this boat. Because Alicia and I don't even have paddles to raise the paddle. He's like excluding us.
Chad. Woo! Yay, guys! Yay! I need to practice my gainers. Okay guys, let's get to this back paddle. We gotta get to this. This is a good rapid. Hard on the right. Hard back pedal on the right. Hard back pedal. Hard back pedal. Okay, forward pedal. Everybody forward. Forward, 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 forward. Forward, 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 forward. Forward, forward, forward. You're a little worried for nothing. Get ready, get the throw rope ready.
Okay, Sherman. Chad, Sherman, do you mind? We'll have Chad take your place. Brandon, I did say something.
Okay.
I'm going to think of something to say.
This
is okay, Vlad.
Wait, go ahead.
Chad, are we hitting right on? Or you want right? Okay, so it'd be your responsibility to pull us into that.
Okay, then.
That's
guys, this is Ryan with Red Body today,
up
up here in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, and we are about to approach Big Kahuna. Yes, Big Kahuna. Major waves and total adrenaline rush. So I'll see you guys on the other side.
Alright, oh, he's not there. He's not set up yet.
It's blinking, right? It's blinking, right? Should be right. And it should be counting.
I have 400 shares of GoPro.
Oh wow.
What do you think?
Oh, I like GoPro.
I'm down 11%. I was down like 30, and then it's crashed to come back. You know, it went down, and then I was down like 3, and then it dropped again. But I think they're going like crazy worldwide.
Oh yeah.
I think it's gonna be like an Apple type brand.
It could totally, yeah. Especially if they can monetize the videos.
The YouTube channel.
Yes.
And you know what was cool? I watched the thing on CNBC after where they do that thing that they showed to GoPro, and it showed the base jumpers and all the adrenaline things and how they're using it, and they're.
Alright, Chad's gonna repent.
It's the flattest it's been. The flattest it's been.
That's even better. Wait a minute. right paddle, and he's going to take pictures so you can get online and buy it.
What time is it so you can look at it?
It is 9:57. 10 o'clock. Hey,
I am. In or out?
If we go before, we're like actually there, but when it's kind of intense, let's scream and release some of that adrenaline. I like it. I'm holding it in so I get the chance.
I just yell in the water.
Yeah, I think you scream as high as you can to get that on GoPro. That'll make it more dangerous when they edit it. Scream bloody murder. Like,
Oh no!
You gotta keep paddling there. That'll keep us in. I feel like my luck is down. We going right, lad? Bar paddle. Bar paddle.
Big kahuna, here it is.
Oh yeah, you're gonna hit it. Just right.
Ah, that was weak sauce. That was weak sauce. That was weak.
How did that compare?
I actually thought I thought Double Jeopardy was bigger. We did hit it good. But it wasn't as good as it's been.
no, everything's really damaged.
I actually thought Double Jeopardy was really good.
You guys want to pull off to the side and go do it again?
No.
Yeah!
No.
People waiting for us.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, my children might.
All right. All people say yeah, it was Sherwin.
I know.
The one
gripping,
for 17 years
the one with the
up there.
death grip.
A lot of people haven't heard Shannon's story.
Every year when I come up, my first run is always so.
That's her. All right, how can we take this, guys?
Sideways.
I don't know.
Sideways?
No, no,
Right
not
side?
sideways.
No, straight on.
Straight on is better. I know, but it's better straight.
Let's take
Do we want
right
to?
side.
But the left is it the left side?
All
Go to
right,
the left
bar
side,
paddle.
and then hit it hard right.
Okay. Back paddle, let's keep it straight. Right.
No, we're gonna do a Huey. Okay, all right.
Spin around in circles on this.
All right.
No, let's
people
go
on the
straight.
right, do a draw.
No, we don't want to go sideways. Okay, and then you get back paddle on the right. Back paddle on the right. Forward paddle on the right. Left. Whatever direction this is. There we go. Straight. Nice. Whew, that was actually good. We hit it good.
Hey, knock that over. That's
Whoa.
knocked that twice.
All right, let's. What are we doing? Forward? Are we doing back? What are we doing here?
Okay, I'm a little cold now after that.
Whew.
Your head has a couple.
Your hair's it's dry.
No, it's Cheryl.
I'm too cold to shake from that. Like I should be in Scottsdale. That's where I should. Like Dallin should be living here and I should be living there.
How far away is Scottsdale? They're like right up. Right? There's a possibility I might be down. We have two bedrooms.
For what thing? What's on our,
My house.
oh, our, who's coaching me?
We have a big bed. Mike Lawn. There's several.
Oh, cold. Burn!
You're cold? You have a wetsuit on. I'm fine.
Oh, I know. I wasn't coming if Chad would have got this.
Man, it feels
I'd have been
great.
in my nice warm bed.
I'm so glad you're here.
Chelsea and I feel great.
I feel good.
Craig likes to run.
Why didn't Craig
2 years old.
I almost talked him into going. Just to come out Friday like I did. He told me he was gonna, and then he didn't.
Yeah,
Oh,
we
but you
really
know what?
need to.
It's only because he only has one day left in the year.
Who does? We really need to put some pressure on him and try to get him.
What's that?
You guys
Get
gonna come.
Craig to come.
He's going on Moon Lake though.
Haven't they had
Mhm.
sick kids lately?
It's like in a couple weeks.
Have
What
they
day?
had sick kids?
What's the date for Moon Lake?
Next week.
Next week? Not the next week. It's the week after, isn't it? The 6th and 7th, I thought.
Right.
And
Next week.
was that next week?
Maybe I'll go.
Are you going with him?
I don't know.
Craig's going, and I'm
I
going.
gotta get a job. I gotta start making.
That's the best fly fishing trip there is. So, the best fly fishing trip is that.
And then the week after that, Alaska.
Yeah, I can spend all my money traveling the world and go stay with mom and dad when I'm done.
Yeah.
I'll take that other base to get, my kids in the bottom base.
Who's going to Moon Lake? Who do you
I
have
think I'm
going?
gonna go. I think I'm gonna
So
go.
far, I've got so when is Craig and Brandon, and you're bringing your whole family, aren't you?
No, I don't.
Oh yeah,
Simon
we
wants to
talked
go.
to
Craig wants to
Lily,
bring.
and she wants you to bring the family.
Simon wants to go.
So you've got Brandon and you and
Craig.
Craig is going.
Craig, come.
And me.
And then
And
other
Simon.
families, you and Simon are going to go?
That's great. Do you want to come? We rotate.
I need, you know what? I need to look and see. I've got something. So you're going up Thursday through Saturday?
And we ran a motorboat, so you don't have to paddle. I'm sorry.
That's what you
We
prefer,
ran a
Dad.
motorboat. So we do. They don't drop us off and come back. So
That's
anybody
better.
want to come?
Ski.
No.
Can't we ski up there?
It's
Well,
not that
yeah,
kind of
you can,
motorboat.
but,
It's
pretty
a
hard because
tin
we
boat.
don't have a motorboat.
Yes.
It's not that guy. It's
No.
just a
It's a fishing boat.
It's a fishing boat.
We've got Sunday, Friday, and Saturday.
All those bugs in your
So
face.
look at that huge nest right there. There's a bald eagle.
That's a bald
That's a
eagle
bald
nest.
eagle. And there's two of them.
Oh yeah, there's two bald eagles. Yep.
Oh, those eagles just flying around.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the white head.
Yep.
Wow, I've never seen so many bald eagles.
10:05.
Actually, I just had. I'm the 12th. I meet with the franchise guy on the 12th. So that's.
That's the week after.
Okay.
Yeah, it's the 7th and 8th next week.
Yeah, I'm buying 3 franchises.
Okay, so you say ropes is not that much fun, so we're going to take that sideways?
That first
No.
That first wave?
But it's, yeah, you can sideways easy.
Okay. All right.
Go backwards. Yeah, you should be
Actually,
Let's
backwards
go on their
might-
side.
go first.
Left
it's
side.
really
It's
not
always
bad.
the
All
right.
right.
I think we'll get a
Let's
better
hit
right.
that and we'll
Left
flip around and then go backwards. All right? And then you guys
Oh,
direct this?
so sideways and then we'll flip? For sure, right? You want to
It's
hit
not
it
for sure.
sideways and
I don't
then
know.
because
No, we're
Oh,
gonna
yeah,
hit
that's
this
right.
random party.
Oh yeah, yeah, that's right.
I just thought about it.
Yeah, that's right.
You know what we should do? We should all actually stand up. So at the top of the wave, when you hit that top of the wave, we all have to
You
stand
know,
up.
I don't think there's a wave enough.
This ropes looks totally different than it normally
I know.
looks. This is totally, it looks so different though. But usually it bends around more slowly and it looks so much more open. Okay, hard on the left. We want to
All right, paddle on the left then.
paddle everyone.
Hit it sideways or
Actually right here,
No,
straight on,
hit this.
straight on. Paddle hard on the right though, so we will hit it hard.
All right, here we go.
Good, right there. That's good. Don't,
Which way?
no, straight. I like straight.
Right turn, right turn.
Right turn.
Smart paddle. Smart paddle. Yeah.
Now on the left.
Left turn, left turn, left turn. Left turn, left turn. Left turn. Draw on the right, draw on the right.
We're gonna surf it. We're gonna surf it. Draw on the left. Draw.
Oh, that's okay.
Yeah, you did. You lost me.
Very good.
That was good.
I thought that was good.
I like that one.
Brad, if you want, you can stop recording. That's probably wait for Holy State. That's probably about it.
Is it a while?
Actually, Ian,
Yeah, let's do that.